Hi students, welcome to Sunil's tutorial. I am Sunil Mirwani and today we will be doing this chapter called as complex numbers. Let's see this.
1 minus 2y upon 1 plus 2y the whole cube. Mod mass. First solve the bracket. 1 minus 2y upon 1 plus 2y. Rationalize the denominator. How do I rationalize the denominator? To rationalize the denominator, I have to multiply it by the conjugate. So this will be 1 minus 2y upon 1 minus 2y the whole cube. So this is going to be equal to 1 minus 2y the whole square. In the denominator, it is in the form a plus b, a minus b. So this is a square minus b square the whole cube. This is in the form, numerator is in the form a minus b the whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square upon 1. I square is minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 4 will give you plus 4 the whole cube. This is 1 minus 4i. I square is minus 1. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 upon 5 the whole cube. This is minus 4i minus 3 upon 5 the whole cube. I could take minus sign common, so this is 4i plus 3 upon 5 the whole cube. Now minus the whole cube will give you minus, because minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. This is in the form a plus b the whole cube. A plus b the whole cube is nothing but a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube upon 125. 5 cube is 125. Minus sign as it is. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, I cube. 4 4s are 16, 16 9s are 144, I square plus 3 3s are 9 and 12. 12 9s are 108, I plus 27. Upon 125. This is minus 64. I cube can be written as I square into I minus 144 I square. I square is minus 1. So minus 144 into minus 1 will give you plus 144 plus 108 I plus 27 upon 125. This is minus 64 I square. I square is minus 1, so this will be minus 64 I. 144 plus 27, 64, 71, 171 cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So minus 64, have a near straight. 3 3s are 9 I square. This was plus 144, so this is going to be minus 144. 3 3s are 9 and 16 9s are 144. So this is 144 I square. I square is minus 1. So that's minus 144. Now minus 144 plus 27 is minus 117 plus 108I upon 125. So this is minus 108i minus 64i is 444i minus 117 upon 125. Open the bracket. So this will be 117 minus 44i upon 125. Split the real and the imaginary. So 117 upon 125 minus 44 upon 125i. The answer is going to be 117 upon 125 minus 44 upon 125i. Next, let's move on to the next sum, guys. Show that minus 1 plus I root 3 upon 2 the whole square is minus 1 minus I root 3 upon 2. Right? Let's see this. LHS minus 1 plus I root 3 upon 2 the whole square. This can be written as I root 3 minus 1 upon 2 the whole square. I'm just rearranging the terms. This is in the form a minus b the whole square. So this is going to be a square minus 2ab plus b square upon 2 square is 4. I square is minus 1. So this is minus 3 minus 2i root 3 plus 1 upon 4 minus 2 minus 2i root 3 upon 4. Take 2 common, so you will get minus 1 minus I root 3 upon 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are minus 1 minus I root 3 upon 2, which is exactly my RHS. Right? Next, prove that root 3 upon 2 plus I upon 2 is cube root of I. I have to prove that root 3 upon 2 plus I upon 2 is cube root of I. Now, to get a cube root is rather difficult. So what we do is, we will say, assume or consider root 3 upon 2 plus I upon 2 the whole cube. I'm taking the cube of LHS. I'm just trying to find out what is the value of cube of LHS. I can take 2 as the common denominator. So this is going to be root 3 plus I the whole cube. This can be written as a plus b the whole cube. The numerator is in the form a plus b the whole cube, which is nothing but a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube upon 8. Root 3 the whole cube is 3 root 3 plus root 3 the whole square is 3. 3 into 3 is 9i. I square is minus 1, so this is going to be minus 3 root 3 plus I cube can be written as I square into I upon 8 plus 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3 gets cancelled. So you get 9i. I square is minus 1, so this is going to be minus I upon 8. This gives you 8i upon 8, which is I. So we have just proved that root 3 upon 2 plus I upon 2 the whole cube is I. This is what I just proved. Take cube root. If I take cube root on both the sides, I will get root 3 upon 2 plus I upon 2 is nothing but cube root of I. That's what exactly what I have to do. Let's move on to the next sum, guys. Find the value of x cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 5 if x is equal to 5 upon 1 minus 2i. Right? Now, x is equal to 5 upon 1 minus 2i. They give you the value of x. Since I have a I in the denominator, the first thing I have to do is get rid of the I in the denominator. How do I do that? By multiplying it with its conjugate. What will be the conjugate of 1 minus 2i? It will be 1 plus 2i. So therefore I can say that x is equal to 5, 1 plus 2i. In the denominator it is in the form a minus b, a plus b. So this will be a square minus b square. 5, 1 plus 2i. 1, I square is minus 1. Minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4. This is 5, 1 plus 2i upon 5. 5 and 5 gets cancelled. Therefore I get x is equal to 1 plus 2i. Take 1 on the other side, so I get x minus 1 is 2i. Squaring. If I square both the sides, I will get x minus 1 the whole square is 2i the whole square. Therefore I can say that x square minus 2x plus 1 is 4i square. You could say that x square minus 2x plus 1 is minus 4, because the value of I square is minus 1. Take this on the other side. X square minus 2x plus 5 is 0. Now, you have to find the value of x cube plus 2x minus 3x plus 4. Whatever you have to find the value of, write that number first. X cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 5 and divide it by this value that you found out, x square minus 2x plus 5. Now, what should I multiply x square with in order to get x cube? I should multiply it with x. That means I'll have to multiply the entire polynomial with x. This will give me x cube minus 2x square plus 5x. Subtract. When you subtract, the sign of all the numbers change. So this becomes minus, this becomes plus, this becomes minus. So this will become 4x square minus 8x plus 5. Now, what should I multiply x square with in order to get 4x square? 4. So if I multiply it with plus 4, you will get 4x square. 4 into minus 2x is minus 8x. Plus 4 5s are 20. Subtract. When you subtract, the sign of all the numbers change. 4x square gets cancelled, 8x gets cancelled. This will leave you with minus 15. Now, we know that divisor is equal to dividend into quotient plus remainder. I can therefore say that divisor is equal to dividend into quotient plus remainder, but the value of x square minus 2x plus 5, the value of x square minus 2x plus 5 we found out as 0. So this is 0 into x plus 4 minus 15. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0, answer is minus 15. Right? Let's see another sum, guys. Find the value of x raised to 4 minus 4x cubed plus 6x square minus 3x plus 66 if x is equal to 3 plus 2y. Now, they've given you that x is equal to 3 plus 2y. Take 3 on the other side. Now, if I square this, I'll get x minus 3 the whole square is 2y the whole square. This can be written as x square minus 6x plus 9 is 4y square. This can be written as x square minus 6x plus 9 is minus 4. How minus 4? Because I square is minus 1. Take this on the other side, I'll get x square minus 6x plus 13 is 0. Now, they've asked you to find out the value of x4 minus 4x cube plus 6x square minus 3x plus 6. Divide this by the polynomial you just got, x square minus 6x plus 13. Now, what will I multiply x square with in order to get x4? I'll multiply it with x square. So this is x4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square. When you subtract, sign of all the terms changes. So this is going to give you 2x cube minus 7x square minus 3x plus 66. Now, what will I multiply x square with in order to get 2x cube? I'll have to multiply it with 2x. So I'm going to multiply it with 2x. 2x into x square is 2x cube minus 6 to the 12x square plus 13 to the 26x. Sign of all the numbers changes. So this is going to be 5x square minus 29x plus 66. Now what should I multiply x square with in order to get 5x square? 5. So that will give me 5x square plus into minus minus 30x plus 13 5 is 65. Sign of all the terms changes. So this will give me x plus 1, 66 minus 65. Now I can say that divisor is equal to dividend into quotient plus remainder. Now out of which we have already found out the value of x square plus 6x plus 13 to be 0. So this is 0 into x square plus 2x plus 5 plus x plus 1. So answer is x plus 1. But the value of x given to you in the sum is 3 plus 2y plus 1. Answer is 4 plus 2y. Right? Let's see this. Let's see another sum. They've said that x 1 plus 2y plus y 2 minus 3i is 5 minus 4i. Now open the brackets. If I open the brackets, this will be x plus 2ix plus 2y minus 3iy is 5 minus 4i. This can be written as x plus 2y. I'm writing the non-I terms together. Now I'll write the I terms together. I'll take I common. This is 2x minus 3y is 5 minus 4i. Now you have a real term here. You have an imaginary term here. Similarly, on the right hand side you have a real term and an imaginary term. So you would say equating real and imaginary. If I equate real and imaginary, I get x plus 2y. is equal to 5. Real is equal to real and imaginary is equal to imaginary. 2x minus 3y is minus 4. Let's call this as equation 1. Let's call this as equation 2. Multiply equation 1 by 2. So I'll get 2x plus 4y is 10. 2x minus 3y is minus 4. Subtract. If I subtract, sign of all the terms will change. So in which case you will get 7y is 14. Therefore y is equal to 2. Substitute y in any one of the equation. If I substitute y in any one of the equation, I'll get x. I'm substituting it in the first equation, 2y. So x plus 4 is 5. So x is 1. Hence y is 2 and x is 1. Let's see another sum, guys. Plus I into x plus 1 minus 2I into y plus 7I is 0. Now, open the bracket. 3x plus ix plus y minus 2iy plus 7I is 0. Now, write the non-I terms together and the I terms together. So you will get 3x plus y plus I x minus 2y plus 7 is 0. Now, on the right hand side you have 0. That means both the real and the imaginary terms are 0. I'll say equating real and imaginary. I'll get 3x plus y is 0 and x minus 2y plus 7 is 0. Now, here I can therefore say that x minus 2y is minus 7. Call this as equation 1, call this as equation 2. Multiply equation 1 by 2. I'm solving 1 and 2 simultaneously, people. So I'll get 6x plus 2y is 0, x minus 2y is minus 7. In which case I'll get 5x is minus 7, x is minus 7 upon 5. Once you get the value of x, substitute the value of x in equation, any equation. Say let's assume I substituted in equation 1. Substitute x in equation 1. So I'll get 3 into minus 7 upon 5 plus y is 0 minus 21 upon 5 plus y is 0. Therefore y is 21 upon 5. Right? Let's see another sum, guys. I raised to 4 plus 3i x plus I minus 1 y plus 5i cube is 0. Right? You got to find the value of x and y. Now I raised to 4 can be written as I square the whole square plus 3i into x. Open the bracket. This is iy minus y plus 5i cube can be written as I square into I is 0. Now I square is minus 1. Minus 1 the whole square is plus 1. So this is 1 plus 3i into x plus iy minus y. I square is minus 1. So this is minus 5i is 0. Open the brackets and simplify this. This will be x plus 3ix plus iy minus y minus 5i is 0. Now get the real and the imaginary terms together. So x minus y plus I, 3x plus y minus 5 is 0. Same thing that you've been doing in the previous two sums, equating real and imaginary. So I'll get x minus y is 0 and 3x plus y minus 5 is 0. Now, straight away I can say this as 3x plus y is 5. Call this as equation 1, call this as equation 2. Add equation 1 and 2. So x plus 3x is 4x, minus y plus 5 gets cancelled, 0 plus 5 is 5. So x is 5 upon 4. Substitute x in equation say 1. So I'll get 5 upon 4 minus y is 0. Therefore I'll get 5 upon 4 is equal to 1. So the value of x is 5 upon 4 and the value of y is also 5 upon 4. We'll stop here for the day. Thank you very much.